Almond! I have fiber for digestion, protein for muscles, vitamin E for cell protection, and magnesium for energy. Complete nutrition in just one handful. Eat me, give your body complete fuel. I am Almond! My monounsaturated fats clean your bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. I keep your arteries clean and protect you from heart disease. Eat me daily. Keep your heart healthy.
I am Almond. My fiber and protein keep your blood sugar under control.
My magnesium makes your insulin more powerful and protects you from diabetes. Eat me. Keep your sugar stable. I am Almond. My vitamin E protects your cells from damage and slows down aging. I am Almond. My vitamin E protects your cells from damage and slows down aging. I fight oxidative stress and keep you young. Eat me daily, stay young forever.
I am Almond. My protein and fiber make you feel full quickly and prevent overeating. Some of my calories aren't even absorbed. I help with weight loss. Eat me, stay fit.
I Almond. My calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus make your bones strong, keep your teeth healthy. I protect you from osteoporosis and increase bone density. Eat me, make your bones iron strong.